New statewide rules for e-bikes and electric scooters will take effect January 1st after Governor J.B. Pritzker signs legislation on Wednesday. The law sets age requirements, speed limits, and where devices can operate. High-speed e-bikes capable of exceeding 28 miles per hour will require a driver's license, insurance, and state registration. Electric scooter riders must be at least 16 with a 28 mile per hour speed limit.